Welcome everybody to another episode of Will It Coffee. On today's episode, Will It Montreal Steak Seasoning Coffee. Alright, filters in, water's in, let's get to it. Let's get some coffee grounds and put it in the filter right here. Put that over to the side. Montreal Steak Seasoning. This is the spicy version of steak seasoning, and if you're wondering what's in Montreal Steak Seasoning, salt, spices, that's black pepper and red pepper, garlic, sunflower oil, and extractives of dill and paprika. Sounds pretty nice to me. Would love it on a steak, but man, that is just pepper. So if you're wondering, will it black pepper coffee or whatnot, well, you've come to the right video, I guess. This is going to be full on pepper. I just tossed a bunch of it in there so you can see it. I don't know if you can. You can sort of see it a little bit. There you go, before it went to the other side. Shake it up. In fact, you know what? I'm going to add a little bit more. Just add a little more. Because why not? Add our water. This is going to suck because I'm going to have to drink this later. Shake it one more time. Let's see what we got. You know, it smells normal about 6 feet away, but we'll see what it's like up close. There's still some coffee right in here too, or some water, I should say, right in there. Very interesting. And that, my friends, is a technical difficulties. Hopefully I didn't scare anybody watching this video. Because we're not editing that part out. Oh, geez, it smells like soup base. It smells like soup base, honestly. Shut up, I'll turn you off. To commemorate this whole Canadian ordeal, we got a Canadian mug right here. And that probably scared somebody with that picture falling down, but that's alright. It really does smell like soup base. Like the ones you get from the instant ramen kind of packet. Jeez. Well, I'm getting my sodium intake for the day. No! That's salty. Oh, geez. That's salty, and I think I just created soup base, ladies and gentlemen. You know, the soup that you get in ramen? That's basically this right here. That's unbearably salty. Whoa. I can at least finish this much because this is way, way too salty. Wow. Wow. Ah. Well, the spice hits the back of the throat a little bit too, which is nice. But I feel like I'm just drinking beef bouillon cubes right now. That is so salty, and probably putting in that much steak seasoning was definitely not a good idea. But if you're strapped for cash and you want to make some beef soup base, I think we just invented it. This is definitely not going to be good. You can see that. There you go. Lots and lots of pepper and garlic and whatnot on here. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Yeah, no. 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 That was a royally bad experiment with predictable results. I do like the spice, and if I really was in the mood for something like ramen, and especially the soup for ramen, would certainly be passable. Right now, no. So, would you try some Montreal steak seasoning coffee for science? Let me know down in the comments. That's all guys for this episode of Will It Coffee. Embrace that pain. I'll see you in the next video.